Hi there, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and today we are going to the end of the road with the old laying hens. Here they are. They're decent looking chickens, but we are pretty much about done with these guys. They lay about 6 eggs a day. Winter's here, so we are kind of moving on. The new bar rock hens are laying eggs that are mostly full size now, so end of time for these ones. They've been good chickens, and winter's here, like I say, and it's done. So none of these are going for customer use, so the fact that we're going to put them in the kill stand and kill them is not for, like I say, customer consumption. So that's something to keep in mind. Now let me show you. Here's the kill stand that I welded up on the other video. I didn't really show you the welding up, but I did kind of show you that I built this thing. And it's built for kind of up to four cones at a time. You could put 2 on each side. We're not in that big of a thing right now, and honestly, I wonder if we will use more of the 2 cones in the center configuration almost all the time. This thing worked awesome for turkeys. It never once felt like it was gonna tip over or bend or do anything else, and that was great. So this thing is now the new main rig. I've got the Featherman, like I say, 30-40% of new cost or whatever if you want to buy my used one. I've got it in the barn, and I honestly doubt we'll get it back out until somebody buys it. So that's that. Today, one of the junior members of the team is going to get a little bit more skill set on dispatching the chickens. We're not going to show any of that, but I will show you after we load the cones before, and I'll show you after we're done, and let's take a look. I'll load the cones up. Alright, we caught our first 2 chickens. They're actually in the Featherman cones. I don't know if I mentioned that, but the cones are nice. I love those. I'm just not real happy with the stand. And my head sticks out a little bit. Hi, girls. Goodbye, girls. And so this is you know, sort of our stand at work before we dispatch the chickens. And we are kind of a heads off kind of a dispatching of the chickens family. We've tried it both ways, and I don't see an advantage or a better situation for us doing just the slitting thing. So we're a heads off group, and it does seem to do okay for us. So that's before, and we may see after. I don't know. We'll let you know about that. All right. I don't think we're seeing anything uber nasty here, so I just wanted to show it pretty well. Does a great job. Featherman cones is really the thing there more than the stand, and you know, we just letting that blood go to the grass, and then we will take these guys out of here, reload, and that's how we're going to dispatch chickens. And like I say, then we go put the chicken tractors and things in the barn because they're done for the winter. All right, we'll probably have more on this video. All right, we played a little bit of chicken house Tetris today after we got those chickens done that we showed you a minute ago. So they're done, turkeys are done.